Hello people, welcome back again in a man. I know I say a long time. You see me, but watch you now. Today I'm gonna make some barbecue chicken. You see it? Yeah man. So I have my chicken over there, so use the garlic powder, this is dry seasoning, the coarse salt, lemon pepper, onion powder. You see, we look up parsley. Alright, this you have the smoked paprika. Right there, so I have them in a bowl, you see me? In the description, I go add the ingredients and how much me use. You see it? So watch now, stay tuned. I do some seasoning up. You see it? So alright people, this is how I go do now. I go add this onion, the garlic powder, you see me? I go add that. And I got the lemon pepper. Then I go add the onion powder with the parsley. Then the smoked paprika, the side, and then the salt. So I go do here now. I give this a nice mixing to get all of that flavor in it, you see me? You see the people? At the rubbings, I have my pan right here, so I throw in the oven. You see me, I'm over my preheat pan 365. You see it? So right now, I'm going to put some of this thing up on it, you see it? Non-stick spray. You see it? Yeah man, so don't know, could drop on them. Make sure so them have space, you see it. Yeah man, people, you see it. Yeah man, right now my stove, my oven ready, as you can see it there, 365. I'm gonna throw them my oven. Right here I'll be making the sauce, you know what I mean? As I say again, I'm gonna have everything in the description. Measurement. So right here you see the ketchup, apple cider vinegar, honey, soya sauce, and the chicken is in the oven for around 15 minutes on each side. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna get to mixing. Now we are gonna add everything in this one. The soya sauce, apple cider vinegar, and your honey. Join the little of the rubbing seasoning, and you're gonna mix it. So I'm gonna mix it and then let you see what it look like. Let you all see what it look like. This is how it's supposed to be looking, people. And that powder seasoning that you see I put is just like half teaspoon of lemon pepper, garlic powder, and the smoked paprika. Half teaspoon of each. You know what I mean? Yeah man, right now I wait on the chicken around 15 more minutes and then I show you what it look like. So right here people, I'm gonna be making some classic coleslaw vegetable, you know what I mean? Yeah, my little way, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put it in this bowl right here and then get back to you guys. This one is very simple, people. 1 cup of mayonnaise, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of black pepper, and see there, kosher salt, boom, apple cider vinegar. I have the vegetable right there. What you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour that and that you're gonna pour that and that. Then you're gonna pour the apple cider vinegar. Your side. Then you're gonna put this. Bam. Then you're gonna give it a mix, people. And then we'll see what we come up with. So this is what it look like, people. You know. Now you're gonna put up plastic wrap over it, like saran wrap, and put it in the fridge for maybe an hour or two, and then it's good to get eating. There it is, people, all wrapped up, ready to go in the fridge. Okay, people, here it is, you know, nice and baked. You know what I mean? So now, you know what time it is. It's the sauce time. I have my little brush right here. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. I'm gonna start from right here. There you go. We're gonna do it on both sides for all of them. You know what I mean? Is now, people. Now you're gonna put it back in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes and boil. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But there it is. Ooh. So this is the finishing product, people. Well, nice and color. Thank you all for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. This is my little plate, people. I mean, yeah, one.